In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two photos in the Google Gemini Windows app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prompt Gemini, attach your photos, and let the app create a natural, realistic image of two people appearing together in the same scene. Start by opening the Gemini app on your Windows computer and moving to the chat box at the bottom. In the message field, type a clear instruction so Gemini knows exactly what to do. Here's a great example you can paste. I will send two photos. Combine them and place both people naturally in the same scene. Match lighting, shadows, skin tones, and perspective so it looks realistic and seamless. Make it look like they were photographed together. This tells Gemini to focus on realism. Things like consistent lighting and perspective are key to a convincing result. If you already have a location or mood in mind, you can add that as descriptive context. But keep the request concise and specific. Next, click the plus sign beside the message field to upload your first image. Choose a clear, high-resolution photo where the person is well lit and in focus. Similar angles and lighting between the two photos tend to produce the most natural composite, so keep that in mind as you pick your images. After attaching the first photo, press Enter to send the prompt along with that image. This signals Gemini to start analyzing what you want and the first person it needs to place into the final scene. Now click the plus sign again to upload your second image. As before, choose a photo that matches the general perspective of the first. Head height, camera angle, and light direction matter. This helps Gemini blend skin tones, shadows, and edges more convincingly. Press Enter again to submit the second image. With both photos and your instructions in the chat, Gemini has everything it needs to generate the combined result. At this point, the app may take a little while. Processing time depends on your connection, image sizes, and how complex the blending needs to be. You might see a loading indicator. Just give it a moment to work. When the result appears, look closely at edges around hair and clothing, the direction and softness of shadows, and whether skin tones and brightness match across both people. If something looks off, try rephrasing your message with a bit more guidance, like noting the desired background or asking for softer shadows, then resend the same two photos. That's it. You've combined two separate photos into one seamless image using the Google Gemini Windows app, with a prompt that prioritizes realism and a simple, reliable upload flow.